What's good? Welcome back to Koup Owners TV, where we talk everything Koup and car culture. It's me again, Huey, and if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Hit that like button and share with friends and family. Today on the show, we are going to look at how to change out your brake light bulbs on your first gen Kia Koup. For my international viewers, that's your Kia Forte Koup. So without further ado, let's get it. But first, let's have a listen to Tian's sweet exhaust note. So as you can see, the brake light is dead. First, open the boot or trunk and lower the flap. Inside you will find 3 nuts holding the brake light housing in place. You will need a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Alternatively, you can use a 10mm spanner or wrench. Use the wrench to loosen the nuts. Once the nuts are loose, you can loosen them and remove them by hand. Just as a precaution to make sure that you don't tug too hard on any wires, loosen the connector in the middle. The following step is not really necessary, but I'd like to show you what's behind the trim. So, if you want to do this, you can loosen the clips using a screwdriver or any other suitable tool. Now that we're behind the trim, you can see that there's a clip holding the brake light housing in place right over here. To free the light, you need to firmly tug on it with both hands like this. Now the light is free. Let's have a look inside. The brake light bulb we are going to change is situated right over here. As you can see, this is quite a tight space to get in. Reason being, the wires are still hooked around and very tight. So after unhooking the wires, we now have enough space to work with. This is where the wire usually hooks on, so be sure to hook it back once you're done. Now let's look at our old bulb and our new bulb. We can clearly see one's blown and one is brand spanking new. Once you're done, make sure to replace everything just as you found it. Now let's check the pedal. Success! Koups to the front.